Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a Haulmark we have in stock. This one's a 2019 Haulmark 8.5 by 24 plus 2-foot V-nose front. So this trailer is going to measure 8.5, 26 in total floor length for you guys. This one is also in a two-tone charcoal front, black back with that polished aluminum stripe between the two. You do have a heavy-duty extended triple tube tongue on a 6-inch frame with this unit. Diamond plate rock guard along the front here. Side door is upgraded with the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on that side door. 250, 200-pound axles, brakes on all fours, radial tires, no aluminum wheels with this unit, steel wheels with this unit. You also have side vents. This is a transport model as well, so it is an upgraded line for them. This one does have a rear ramp door with a spring assist close. You also have transition flap on here as well as a dovetail in the rear, as this is set up for vehicles. That just simply means the back couple feet of the floor here drops down 3 additional inches, which gives you guys a nice easy angle and brake coming in and out of here when you're trying to put lower profile cars in here. This one also has a side escape door with that RV lock. 7-foot interior height with this unit. It's going to give you guys about 6'8", 6'9" here at the rear door, so great for UTVs, side-by-sides, anything like that. This also has a bonus. It's got the upgraded walls and floor in it to the DryMax product. That's what you guys are looking at right here. DryMax is amazing. I can't say enough good about it. It is a water-resistant product, does not absorb the water or the moisture, so it gives you guys a water-resistant interior, as well as the underneath side of your trailer has the DryMax product as well, making it a nice upgrade from your standard wood, because it's not going to warp and shrink and have the products that the wood gives you guys when it gets wet. So great upgrade. Again, that's on the walls and floor here. 4 D-rings. You've got 2 here at the back, 2 more up front. There's that back side of that escape door. You do have side vents in here as well. 1 here at the back, another one in that top left corner. This trailer is going to have a natural cross ventilation through it, which is great if you guys are hauling anything with fuel. You do have a 1-piece aluminum roof, couple of overhead LED interior lights as well. Toggle switch right here, back side of the RV lock gives you guys this piece right here, which is that lock-a-latch and a set of keys. And again, you're going to have that for the side door and the escape door, which is great. Interior step coming in. There's those 2 more additional D-rings in that other vent up there in the top left corner. I will post a full description and price down below so you guys can check it out there. And as always, we would love to earn your business. If you're in the market for a new trailer, give us a call. 303-688-8485 or always online at coloradotrailersinc.com.